How much you think price?
I don't know. I'm not clever. I'm stupid. Merhaba. We are at the Grand Bazaar in Istanbul. First time ever checking it out. Come with us. Let's see what's inside. When you enter, you are met with a infusion of different Turkish and Arab perfumes. It's funny, they have this metal detector and it's just beeping off every time. I don't think they're checking it. It's a bit weird, but this is a huge bazaar in the middle of Istanbul in a Fatih area. Wow, this is huge, absolutely. I like these images, they're beautiful. Wonder if it's hand painted or not. It's sad I don't speak any Turkish. I would like to speak with the vendors. You can get a dagger. At Grand Bazaar you can buy different kinds of Turkish or tourist stuff from Istanbul. Beautiful coffee sets, everything. It's very nice. Hello. Merhaba. You just look at all this.
Okay, just looking for this.
It's beautiful. I don't know how I could bring this home, but I would like to have it. Maybe they could transport it. Wow, you have all the big street fashion brands here. Here's something I want to buy. Hello.
You're welcome, my friend.
Thank you. Teşekkürler. Here in Grand Bazaar Istanbul, there's a chess store. You can buy all kinds of chess games, and it's so beautiful. Most are handcrafted. Oh, it's very beautiful. Made in Turkey.
80%. I'm buying something from Egypt, from Iran, but all Middle East.
I mean, if I had the money and the courage to bring this to back home, I'll bring it. It's very beautiful for business. One thing is, I really want to buy something that is so fake that you can't mistake it for being like fake. It's my goal to this trip. This is huge open area with also some coffee shops. Very nice and old. This carpet I would like at home. It's very impressive. Also the architecture in here and the whole vibe. I don't see that many tourists. Maybe there's a lot of Russians here, I don't know. By the way, if you like this video, subscribe to our channel. We will do more like very authentic videos with this camera too. So like this video and subscribe to the channel. These are very nice. I think it's so you either can wash your hands or your feet, or she can wash. Let's try this tea. Wow, mashallah, it's good. So far, first impressions of the Grand Bazaar here is pretty good. A lot of people. I'm trying to be cautious, but also I'm very surprised by all the shops and all the vendors. It's very impressive. A lot of different things happening everywhere. Also a few tourists here, not that many.
You have 10?
Yes, sir. This tea and soda, it was around 3-4 euros. I think a bit expensive, but we shouldn't tell the owner that. It's crazy how friendly people are all of a sudden when you're interested in one piece of clothing or anything. They want to give you the world if you give them the money. Yeah? How much is this? Maybe we come back. I mean, that was a bit expensive. Denmark. Hungary. Hungary. Looks good. Thank you. Teşekkürler. Bana kimsel şişe. Merhaba.
Merhaba, hoş geldiniz.
How much?
800 lira. For real leather.
Real leather.
This one, the bigger one, we have small one.
Bare for at høre.
You want it for like this one, small one? 500 lira. And like this one. This one is small.
I'll think about it.
How much you think price?
I don't know. I'm not clever. I'm stupid. Ja, de er flotte, men... You know, I wanted to make a little note and put it in my pocket here, so where it says something like "fuck you" or something. I don't know. If people wanted to pickpocket me, I don't know. Let's exit the Grand Bazaar, get some fresh air. It's mostly perfumes in here. Was this where we came? So this was the Grand Bazaar of Istanbul. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you like this video.